Hey everybody, how's it going? No worries. It's been a while, about a month since I did a video, and I'm sure you're all sitting on the edge of your seats waiting for that notification like when's a No Worries Bus video coming out. Well, here it is. Okay, but for a whole month, got a lot done here. The biggest thing I did, I pulled the transmission out. I got the engine at somebody's place. They're taking a look at the whole thing here. But take a look at my new transmission down here. Rebuilt. So if you're in Tucson, Arizona, Bugs and Buggies, go see him. His name is Jim. Did an awesome job on this. I had to get a new bell housing here because the water damage was so bad that you couldn't even get a socket down to tighten it down, to torque it down. So he redid that and did a whole redo on the transmission. I'm super stoked and excited about that. I'm ready to get that thing popped in. So check him out if you're ever in Tucson, Arizona. Over here, so got a bunch of other stuff. I did all new brake lines in the back. So I got 5 more still to do in the front. But you can see the strut not popping out, so that's no good. So I'm changing out both of those. CV joints. I also had to put another gas tank in because that one's been sitting there forever. Fuel filter was getting clogged up, so I figured I might as well change that out. So then I just painted the fire wall right there. I think that's what it's called. I don't know, that's what I'm calling it. So got that ready to go when I get the rest of the stuff done in the gas tank, and I'll show you that here. Okay, so here we are underneath in the back by the engine compartment. Got my brand new tank in that I put in. Came across one problem here. My nuts were completely rusted. Couldn't get them off. So I ended up just getting loosened just enough. I cut the straps and I re-welded new straps on with new bolts. And that was that was the easiest thing for me to do so far on this. But now my breather hose doesn't fit. So I'm gonna have to figure something out on that. I'll modify something, put a hose in there or whatever on that. But it should be no worries on that, not that hard. But if you can look underneath here, I got all new brake lines, brake hoses. I undercoated everything. As you can see, I got a new face tattoo of undercoating, which is awesome. So super pumped about that. I'll get my CV joints in like I talked to you about before. Then I'll make another video. I want to get the transmission in with the CV joints and the struts. And then after that, I am like just power washing the back of this, getting this ready for priming and painting. And then I'll be done on the back side. Then I'll be moving to the front. I'm going to shoot another video here, probably 3 or 4 days, because I got all the panels done on the side. I also got the floors in, so I'll show you those, how I did that. Super excited about that. But other than that, it's great to make a video again. Nice to see you, and I'll see you soon. No worries.